Okay, so guys, why would you want to add multiple languages in your Shopify store? So it really like sell to more people in my opinion, because by offering your store in different languages, you can open it up to a whole new customer base who might not speak English fluently. So this can significantly increase your potential sales. So what you're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to go to settings to add multiple languages in Shopify. So let's click on settings here. And then here in settings, we're gonna have to click on languages. So languages, as you can see here, click on languages. And then here on languages, we have languages, and then here speak your customer's language. Adding translations to your store improves cross-border conversion by an average of 13%. It's free and it takes minutes. Even Shopify recommends you, and it gives you some statistics that it can really improve conversion. So let's click on add a language, and then here select the language, and I'm gonna select here Italian, all right, and click on add. And also there's this app we should install that will translate and adapt your store content for every market, free, and just click on and install. All right, and now see, we can see also active in markets. They've been added to and visible to customers. English, the default one, and then we can change the default. Right, so instead of English, we can add Italian, but English, it's fine if it is English for me. Now here we're gonna click on 12, so no translations added. So we're gonna click on translate. I'm gonna use this app that we just have here. And now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna now can see here, I can do it automatically. So the products, the blog, can click on there, and then I see the title, so the home page. Now probably if your home page is more detailed, then you're gonna see here in this part English. Now we can translate in Italian, and that's the manual way, as you can see. But also we have here the auto translate, and if you want to translate like more than one, I believe, you're gonna have to pay, I think, a subscription if you want to translate more, pay more pages. And then we can exit, and I'm gonna show you a different app that you can use. This one is good as well. You have you can translate, let's say we can click on blog pages and translate those as well if you have, or products and description of that products. And as you can see here, we have this product here, and then this one we can just translate this manually, or doing it, or clicking on auto translate. So depends on how you wish to translate this. Pretty nice. And now we actually translated, and it took less than a few seconds. So now different app that we can search for and use for what we want here is to click on apps, and then here in apps and sales channel settings. There we can see here all the apps that we installed. We can click on Shopify App Store, and here we can install other apps. And also from here, by the way, we can click on the three dots here and uninstall an app. And then here we can search for this. And here we can search in the search bar WEG lot. Click on this one here, translate your store into multiple languages. Let's click on here, and then let's click on install. Now let's click on install here. This app needs, that's fine. All right. And now we can enter our email, password. We just have to create an account, and then you'll see that you'll be able to create and also get this free 10-day trial. Pretty nice. Okay, now after you create your account, you're gonna see this in my store. I'm gonna create a new project and click on continue. And now we're gonna have to activate, so click on activate. Okay, and make sure you enable the app here on our website. I'll see browser apps built for online store 2.0 teams, view apps, and then here here's the app, and then check activation. Contact on your website. You can if you're sure. Okay, so activate on Shopify theme editor. Okay, now after you activate, you're gonna see this. Now, well done, your website is not multilingual. Go to settings or visit your website. Now here you can see activate ad blocker, activate or enable, activate subdomain. Anyways, the thing here is that you can now edit even more. Now on Wiglots, we're gonna click on edit translations, and here we're gonna have to log in. Yes, it's going to ask me log in, and now here we have manage translation. As I said, I want English to Italian because I'm planning to get like I'm gonna have viewers from Italy. Then I'm gonna make sure I'm clicking on manage translation and add translations to my website, and here I can see the percentage. I can see now he's actually translated some of it here. We can see what it translated here. So from there to from here to there, and we can see all the words it translated, which is pretty nice. And when you click on it, you're gonna see here the automatic translation. Now you can also add a manual one. If you want to, we can also highlight, select all the translation, and then here we have mark as reviewed or order professional translation, or assist to or change type. All right. Now, if you want to add another language, you can click on add a language, and then here we can maybe change to French, and then click on add language. And yeah, you can add more languages as you won't reach your plan limits. So just make sure you upgrade if you want to add more languages. Now, a very nice feature that I really like on Weglots is that you can edit live. And what I mean by that is that you can go here to Visual Editor and click on Start Editing. And then here, what you see on okay, so I fixed that error as well. So yeah, just to make sure, in general here you have the right URL of your website. Usually it should have it should connect, it should have it should have connected automatically anyway. But anyways, just enter the website URL and then click on save. And now here, if you go to Visual Editor and you click on Start Editing, you'll be able to edit your website live. So if you click here now, we can see, okay, now if I edit this, now we can see that I can edit pretty much anything here. So let's say this one, and I'll edit live on my website. So go to your website and visit translate page, see automatic translation. You just need to synchronize your translation. So here we can go to manage translations, this one, and here we have our translations. So we have this one marked as reviewed. We can, but of course there are more than this, so there are more translations that we have to manage. And now, okay, now this one, that's fine, saved. Here we can edit those portions as well. Okay, it's pretty nice desktop, but it's not like you can edit on the go, automatic, much faster. So yeah, Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.